everyone, I'm back with 3 glam DIYs to share with you, and these are the items we'll be using for today's DIY. Items from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, totally Dazzled. Yeah, so we'll be using these items and glam them up to make 3 lovely decor for your home, or even for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is coming up. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we have this clear bowl here that we got from the Dollar Tree. It's plastic, it's nice and hard, and we're going to use some of our crushed glass, and we're going to use some Mod Podge. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Petalisbless. I do glam DIYs using dollar store items because I love to share with you all how you can have a beautiful home on a cheap budget. So I would love for you to press that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright you guys, as you can see, I apply the crushed glass and just pat it down a bit, and then continue with the Mod Podge and add the crushed glass. I'll be adding just 1 layer of the crushed glass and we'll let it dry for a few hours. And now we have these flowers I'm going to put with the Mod Podge and some glitter. We're just going to apply it to our flowers and then set it aside and let it dry. I'm surviving. I don't want to see you walking. No. And now the glitter is all dry on our flowers. We're going to be using these gems from Totally Dazzled, which I love. And they have little clips at the back and they just snap right off. They're very easy to do. They come off very easy. And I'm just going to use some hot glue and attach the gems to the center of our flowers. And now our bowl is all dry. Doesn't that look really nice? So we're going to take our flowers and we're just going to add them to our bowl. And I'm just going to use some hot glue. And remember, you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project. And now we're just going to glue a candle holder to the bottom of our bowl. And now for our second DIY, I have this vase here. And we're just going to add these pearls to the vase using some hot glue. Again, use any adhesive that you would like to use. I'm just going to use some hot glue. And we're going to decorate our vase with the pearls. I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl. I know I can lead us. I'm feeling the vibe inside. I know you're down by my side. Baby, it's okay. It don't matter what they say. And now our pearls are done. It looks very nice. So I'm gonna add the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled in strips. I'm gonna line them up with the pearls and glue them right around the vase. And here is our look. I think it looks very nice like this. So now we're going to use these gems from Totally Dazzled and attach them to our vase. And now we have these 2 candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to attach them together, and then we are going to attach the 2 of them to our vase. Now for DIY number 3, I have the mirrored tiles here, the mirrored glass tiles. You can get them on Amazon, which the adhesive on them is very strong. So I'm just gonna add them to our bowl going around. Now you can measure where you place your strips. I just eyeball it. I just like doing it like that. So I'm just placing them around as we go. Okay, so now it's all done. So I'm going to use some of the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and do the same thing. Put them right next to our strips all the way around the vase. And now that it's all done, doesn't it look very nice? So I'm going to use both silver and gold glitter, yes. And we're going to mix them together and apply them to our vase. I think it looks absolutely beautiful when you mix the metals together. So we're mixing silver and gold, and I think they look lovely together. And when we're finished applying the glitter, I'm just going to let it sit to dry, maybe for about 20 minutes or so. Now we have this gold candle holder from the Dollar Tree and our gold bling, yes, from Totally Dazzled. I love it. So I'm just going to attach it to the bottom of the candle holder here. And our vase is all dry, and I have another bling gem from Totally Dazzled that I'll be placing on our vase right here. And then we're just going to attach the vase and the candle holder bottom piece together. Here are our 3 glam decors. I think they look very nice. This one here at the end is a candy bowl. Isn't it absolutely lovely? It makes a lovely gift for Mother's Day. Yeah, Mother's Day is coming up, and it's absolutely beautiful. You can place candies in it, nuts in it, anything you want. And over here, I love the gold and the silver. Mixing the metals look absolutely beautiful together. Gold and silver. I love it. And the glitter in between with the gold and silver glitter is absolutely beautiful. And the lovely gems from Totally Dazzled just makes this, give it the extra pop and nice. And I love this vase over here too. Yes, and more of my lovely gems. I absolutely love these gems. Anything you put them on makes it look elegant and nice. And I left the bottom black. Yes, I left the bottom of the candle holder black. So it gives more for your eye to draw up to the top and you admire the vase. Isn't it beautiful? And again, our lovely candy jar. Oh, candy, peanuts, nuts, you know, any little thing that you'd like to put in it is nice. And, you know, all 3 of them make a lovely gift idea. Yes, they do. Mother's Day is coming up. Oh, they look absolutely beautiful. I love this jar. Again, it's mixed again with the gold and the silver. Oh, silver on top and the gold candlestick just makes it pop from the bottom. And here I just added some flowers into the gold vase so you guys can see how it looks. It looks nice as an accent piece by itself or with the flowers. I think it looks lovely also. This is a lovely gift idea. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Mother's Day is coming up and this is absolutely beautiful. Or if you want to keep it for yourself, that's nice too. It makes a lovely piece of decor. Yes, it does. Glam up your home. Yes, for spring. No, for summer 2020. Yeah. So with the flowers or without, it makes a lovely statement piece. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me which one of these 3 are your favorite and if you would make them for a gift Remember Mother's Day is coming up? Yeah, remember our love. We love and cherish our mothers. This would be such a lovely idea to give it to them, whether it's the gold and silver bowl or the little candy slash nuts, anything you want to put in it bowl. I think they look absolutely beautiful. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.